Brought to you by JEGS.
Earl's Flame Guard heat shielding is now available in the hook and loop design to help speed up your next install. Flame Guard is perfect for insulating your hoses, cables, and wiring from extreme heat sources. The hook and loop design makes it easier than ever to install, especially in cramped and hard to reach places. Now with our hook and loop Flame Guard, there's no reason to disconnect your hoses or wiring just to install it. It comes in a variety of diameters from 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 2 inches in diameter and is pre-cut in 12 and 18-inch lengths for your convenience. The hook and loop closure is sewn directly to the Flame Guard, and we added additional stitching to help prevent fraying at the ends. The black outer silicone layer helps protect your vital hoses, wiring, and cables from continuous temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And if it's hotter than Hades under your hood, don't worry. Earl's non-asbestos Flame Guard can handle temperature spikes of 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 20 minutes at a time. It can even endure a 15 to 20 second spike at temperatures reaching 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Hook and loop Flame Guard from Earl's makes it easier than ever to protect your vital components from extreme heat sources.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.